From here, we can hit exit and gain access to the main parameter loop. For now, let's disable the password. And let's go in to configure our functions. We'll go into the device menu, hit the red arrow to the right, and select function configuration, function key, and enable. From here, we'll select the first function key. Let's rename it to SP for set point, and then choose set point value. This way, we can quickly change the cut value from the front screen without having to jump to the rest of the menu. You can see that option here. You can select there, choose set point 3, and you can see the 10 inches we put in previously. If we want to change that, say 5 inches, we can do that here and apply.